This is our copper and brass stock warehouse located in Zhejiang province. We permanently maintain over 100 tons of ready stock here to ensure immediate delivery for large projects. What you see around me are C11,000 pure copper coils and sheets, also known as T2 red copper in various widths and thicknesses. These pure copper strips range from 3 millimeters all the way up to 1,200 millimeters in width. Thickness from 0.1 millimeter to 10 millimeters and above. All materials are supplied in standard factory temper, soft, half-hard, and hard, depending on your forming requirements. Behind me are the brass series H62, H65, H68, and H70 grades, again in both coil and sheet form. Brass strip widths cover from narrow 8mm foil up to 1,250 millimeter wide plates. Thickness starting at 0.08 millimeter. We keep full-size mother coils as well as precision-slit narrow coils ready for immediate shipment. Every batch comes with original mill test certificates and can be traced back to the smelter. This is real stock, real volume, ready for serious industrial requirements.